You want to check a cell if there's a word, a very specific word that's in that cell. Here's how you do it. I'm going to show you a couple ways. So one of the things about Google Sheets is we can write a lot in a cell, very many characters. I think up to like 50,000 characters. Obviously, we don't all the time, but also we can put thousands of rows here, and we might want to see or say, this cell has this word in it. For example, urgent. We have a bunch of meeting notes here, and we want to know which meetings did we have the word urgent in them. Now, I can do Command F and write urgent, and great. In the moment, I know which ones have the word urgent, but I want this documented. I want to say, hey, these are all the notes or meetings that we said the word urgent. I want to filter them somewhere later. And so we have the search formula, which allows us to search for something urgent and in some cell or text, and we get back a number. That number is going to be the character number at which we found that word. But we also get an error if we don't find it. It just says, cannot find urgent within this text. Well, that's all well and good. We have a number or an error. We can use that. But there is a little bit better version of this, which is REGEXMATCH. And the text we're going to search is the notes, and the regular expression we're going to use is the word. So we actually don't need to know regular expressions or any kind of formulas or anything other than REGEXMATCH, just to find out if this word exists. I want to show you that it's going to show up as true or false. Now there might be a little bit of an issue because if you notice in this one, the first word is urgent, but it's all caps, all capitalized letters. And it says false. So what you need to do, it needs to be the very specific capitalization, or it is case sensitive, or you just lower all of your text. So just wrap lower around the text that you're searching, and now it becomes true for this one that's urgent, that's all caps. So that's a little trick to help you with REGEXMATCH, and I hope you start using REGEXMATCH because it's a really powerful, very, very, very awesome formula. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.